In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the red lip trick. The red lip trick is a simple but powerful beauty hack where you wear a bold red lipstick and it instantly brightens your complexion and balances out any kind of dullness or uneven tones that you can see I've got loads of here. The red pigments subtly colour correct, leaving your skin looking more radiant, polished, even if you're wearing minimal makeup, which I am today. So keep watching if that interests you. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. I honestly cannot believe I'm saying this, but this week marks 5 years here on YouTube. And whether you've been here since the early days or you've just joined me more recently, maybe this is your first video, I just want to say a huge thank you for your support, for your comments, for your kindness, for your shares. All of that really means the world to me, and I cannot tell you how much being on YouTube brings to my life. It brings so much joy, even now 5 years on. Thank you for being part of my journey. Initially, I just wanted to indulge my passion, my addiction for beauty products, for trying out new beauty products. But actually quite quickly this channel morphed into a platform for championing women's self-care in a more broader way. So not just providing my 2 cents worth about beauty products that I've used, but also offering guided meditations and then a bit later on EFT sessions. Thanks to your support, I was able to start a mailing list, a blog, become an Amazon influencer, have brands reach out to collaborate with me. I'm still shocked about that. And then develop my own products and services that I sell online. I have learned so much in the past 5 years, and every day feels like a school day still, which I actually really love. And as I've said so often before, if you want to know more about what I do outside of YouTube, please do just take a look at the video description. Okay, so today's video is a fun little demonstration that shows just how powerful lip colour can really be, even when you're wearing almost no makeup. And that's the case for me right now. So all I've got on is mascara. I have applied this mascara from Rimmel. Sorry that the label's kind of worn away. I had an accident with a perfume leak. But this is the Extra 3D Lash from Rimmel. And it's a really budget mascara, but gives me great definition, I feel. I've just got it on the upper lashes and is perfect kind of for everyday wear. So I haven't got any foundation on, I haven't got any concealer, nothing, just the mascara. And what I want to do is show you the difference between a bold red lip and a more neutral shade, and how each one, well really just the red one, does transform your face. So first off, let me apply the nude neutral lipstick. I am actually using this lip liner from Primark, which is a nude colour, and I often wear this underneath lipstick just to get more longer wear lips from the lipstick I put over the top. But I think for today's experiment, this just will really prove the point. So I've got a neutral base here, and it's really done nothing for my face, okay? So now we're going to apply a red lip, and that is where the magic is going to happen. Red lipstick somehow acts like a built-in colour corrector for your skin, because red pigments neutralise dullness and counterbalance any sallowness, and I think I've got quite a lot going on in your complexion. Suddenly your skin, when you apply red lipstick, looks brighter, your eyes pop, and it gives the illusion that you've made a lot more effort than you actually have. And it's a trick that I use all the time. I just never kind of filmed it, right? However, I'm only just learning the science behind why a red lip works so well. Okay, so I've got lots and lots of different red lipsticks, just so you can see. So I'm not I'm completely abundant when it comes to red lips. But the one that I'm going to use today is actually another Rimmel one. It's Diva Red. I don't even know if they still make this. It's quite old. If they do, I'll definitely link below the lipstick and the mascara. Okay, so let me have a go at applying this. And I could take the time and use a lip brush, and I certainly would if it was a special occasion, but I just want you to see the immediate effect of me applying that Diva Red lipstick. So you can see how the red really wakes up the whole of my face. It's adding vibrancy and radiance without me having to put on any kind of foundation. I don't typically wear blush, but obviously have not got blush on either. So that's my 5-year celebration look. Simple, timeless, and can I say full of confidence? Thank you again for being here with me, whether it's just this video that you've watched or you've watched 100 of my videos or hundreds of my videos. Your presence here means everything to me. And here's to many, many more years of bringing content to you, beauty product reviews, guided meditations, EFT tap-alongs, my energy. If you have enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. It's free to do so, or hit the thumbs up button, share this video on. All of that engagement means so, so much to me. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.